Okay, so I'm going to make my refrigerator pickles. And first I'm going to make the brine, which is just a cup of water, a cup of vinegar, and I'm just using apple cider vinegar. You can use any vinegar. This is just what I have. A tablespoon of salt. Now this is for a quart jar. 1 quart jar. So a tablespoon of salt. And then you can use sugar, but I'm going to use a little bit of stevia. If it's sugar, you would use a tablespoon of sugar. So I'm going to use this powdered stevia. And then I am just going to bring that to a boil. Okay, so I got my pickles in the jar. And I'm just going to add a little minced garlic. And it's already minced. I like to buy it that way. I'm kind of lazy about the garlic. I put some mustard seed, some peppercorn, and then I put some dill. I just have dill weed right now. I think I usually use seed. And then my brine is boiling. So I'm just going to pour it in. Just like that. Put it in the fridge. It'll keep for a really long time.